Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the 7th standard maths lesson 2 exercise 2.2. This is the continuation for the previous video. The 8th sum given Temori wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is 49 meters at the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. So find the cost of leveling. So this is the 8th one. Temori wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is 49 meters at the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. So find the cost of leveling. We write the solution. The first line, diameter of the circular garden D is equal to 49 meters. So we find the radius. Already we know radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. So diameter is given 49 divided by 2 meters, then radius. Next we find the area of the circular garden. Area of the circular garden is equal to pi r square inches. So that is 22 divided by 7 multiplied with 49 divided by 2 multiplied with 49 divided by 2 meters square. So we simplify this one. 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Here 1 7s are 7, 7 7s are 49. So 11 7s are 77, then 77 multiplied with 49 divided by 2. So we multiply with the 77 multiplied with 49. 9 7s are 63, remainder 6. 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 6, 69. Then fourth table, 4 7s are 28, remainder 2. Then 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 2, 30. So adding now 3, 9 plus 8, 17, remainder 1, 7, 3. So divided by 2, we have 1 2s are 2, remainder 1, 17, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 17, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 30, 6 2s are 12, remainder 1, 0.52s are 10. So 1886.5 meters square. So the area of the circular garden is 1886.5 meters square. Also we find the cost of leveling. So cost of leveling at meter square is equal to rupees 150. So we find the cost of leveling 1886.5 meters square is equal to rupees 150 multiplied with 1886.5. So this is rupees, multiply with the two number, we have 2,82,975. So we write the solution. Cost of leveling the flower garden is equal to rupees 2,82,975. So this is the solution for the 8th one. The 9th sum. The floor of the circular swimming pool whose radius is 7 meter has to be connected at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Then find the total cost of cementing the floor. So this is the 9th one. The floor of the circular swimming pool whose radius is 7 meter has to be connected at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Find the total cost of cementing at the floor. So we write the solution. The first one, radius of the circular swimming pool equal to 7 meter. So the area of the circular swimming pool is equal to, this is circular shape, so pi r square units. Then the value of pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 7 into 7. The radius is 7 given. Here 7 cancel. 22 into 7 is equal to 154 meter square. So the cost of cementing at the floor is equal to rupees 80. Then here the cost of cementing 154 meter square is equal to 18 multiplied with 154. So 18 multiplied with 154 is equal to rupees 2772. So the cost of cementing the floor on the swimming pool is equal to rupees 2772. So dear students, today we learn about some word problems for the circular shapes. Prepare well. Thank you.